Hello, have you ever sent money via M-PESA and it landed instantly, like boom, it's there? Or ordered a boda from your phone and the rider pulled up at your exact gate, like they had a GPS in their brain? That is not witchcraft. And no, it's not your app being smart. It's something deeper, smarter, hidden behind the screen. It's called an algorithm. And trust me, you use dozens of them every single day without even knowing. But what exactly is an algorithm? Is it a computer thing, maybe a math thing, a Silicon Valley thing? No, it's actually super simple. And today, I'm breaking it down using everyday Kenyan life stories from around the world and some fun visuals to keep it spicy. From M-PESA to TikTok, from Nyayo traffic to Netflix picks, we are going to explore the tech that runs you without the boring bits. This is Amobi Tech. Karibu sana. Let's get into it. What is an algorithm? In simple terms, an algorithm is just a step-by-step instructions that a computer follows to solve problems or perform certain tasks. Think of it like a recipe. Just like you'd follow steps to cook ugali or chapati, a computer follows steps to do things like sort data, process payment, or even recommend your next YouTube video. Here is a quick example. Let's say you are using Google Maps to get from Nairobi CBD to Westlands. How does it know which route is the fastest? It runs an algorithm instantly, checking traffic, road conditions, distance, and it gives you the best options in seconds. Smart, right? But it's just following instructions. Fast ones. Why are algorithms so important today? Algorithms are everywhere. And yes, I mean everywhere. They run your social media feed, decide which TikTok video pops up next, manage online banking systems, control traffic lights in Nairobi, and even help doctors with diagnosis. Here in Kenya, algorithms help Safaricom track how much airtime or even data you have used and constantly notify you when it's running low. Globally, giants like Google, Amazon, TikTok thrive because their algorithms are smart and fast, constantly learning from your behavior. From recommending what to watch to predicting what you buy, algorithms shape your digital life, often without you even noticing. And now, let's consider this analogy. Cooking ugali as an algorithm. Let's bring it home with a Kenyan classic, cooking ugali, and you follow simple process. Step 1, boil water. Step 2, add maize flour. Step 3, stir until it thickens. Step 4, serve it hot, probably with some sukuma wiki or nyama choma. That right there is an algorithm. A clear, repeatable set of instructions that gets you one outcome. Ugali. Now imagine a computer doing the same, not with flour and water, but with data. It allows its own step-by-step recipe to give you answers, results or decisions just 1,000 times faster and more precise. So whether it's human in the kitchen or a machine solving a problem, algorithms are the recipe behind the magic. Can you build an algorithm? I suppose your answer is yes. Here is the best part. You don't need to be a genius or Silicon Valley coder to write an algorithm. Anyone can can start. Seriously, all it takes is writing simple and clear instructions, understanding basic logic like, if this happens, then do that. In fact, right now in Kenya, students are already learning this through CBC coding lessons. Some are using platforms like Scratch or joining Python clubs and building fun, simple programs. If you have ever written down steps to make a good cup of chai, guess what? You have already created an algorithm. It's about thinking clearly, breaking things down, and giving instructions just like a computer would understand. What type of algorithm exists? Now, not all algorithms are the same. There are different types, each doing a specific task. Let me break down 3 common ones with real life examples. First type, sorting algorithms. These arrange things in a certain. For example, when you visit an online shop and sort products from the cheapest to the most expensive, that is a sorting algorithm at work. The second type, searching algorithm. When you type something like second-hand clothes in Nairobi on an e-commerce platform, a search algorithm searches thousands of listings and brings to you the most relevant ones. Third type, recommendation algorithm. Ever wondered how Netflix or YouTube just knows what you want to watch next? That is a recommendation algorithm at work. It looks your viewing habits and suggests content you likely enjoy. And these are just a few. This algorithm may pretend to feel smart, but really, it's just following clever instructions. And now, let's talk about the good, the bad, and the biased side of algorithms. And here's the thing, not all algorithms are perfect. In fact, some can be deeply flawed, because here's the truth many don't realize. Algorithms are designed by people, and people can have biases. Let's say a tech company in the US builds a job recruitment algorithm. If it was trained mostly on Western data, resumes with names like Brian or Emily may get more attention, while names like Ugali, Otieno, and Njoroge get filtered out automatically. This is not just unfair, it's dangerous. This is called algorithmic bias, and it's already affecting real lives around the world. If you're surprised about that, let me give you another example you encounter every single day. Social media platforms often use engagement algorithms. Their goal is to keep you scrolling, but if sensational or fake news get more likes, the algorithm may push it to millions, even if it's completely false. That is how misinformation spreads fast, and we have seen the consequences, from election confusion to public health crisis. Algorithms can also decide who gets the loan, who sees the advert, and how long someone stays in jail, all based on patterns in data. But what if the data is flawed or unfair? That's where the human oversight is still essential. We need people, a diverse people, checking the systems, asking hard questions, and making sure algorithms are used ethically and responsibly. Because while algorithms are powerful tools, they should never replace fairness, empathy, and good judgment. So next time you send money via M-PESA, or scroll endlessly on TikTok, or search for the fastest matatu route on your phone, take a pause and think. There's an algorithm quietly working in the background, making it all happen. Now that you understand what an algorithm is and how it affects your life, why not try to build one yourself? Start small, write a recipe, create a simple plan, explore tools like Scratch and Python, because the future isn't just in Silicon Valley. It's here in Kenya too. If this video helped break it down for you, hit a like button, subscribe for more tech explained in simple terms, and share with a friend who is curious just like you. From Nairobi to the world, this is Amobi Tech.